Yeah, so inside of the same site, we tend to see a lot of consistency in design because of the context that's already there. And also, we don't run that full rewriting a prompt on every prompt you do. At the moment, just on your initial one, though, soon we'll be logging some so you can at any time decide you wanted to do a full redesign for you. And so then we're relying on that context to drive it out. So like in that case, you would need to do inside all the different landing pages in the same project. We don't really have a good answer to outside of that. The most likely thing would be cloning a site and starting from the last one so you'd have that consistency.
So you keep the whole context for a website in one for a user, right? They want to come back.
Yeah, so at least currently, we've decided we don't want customers to have to decide how to manage their context. So we fully manage it. So it's a single continuous context change, and we're doing summarization as it gets big to pull in the details. But even without any of that context, you'll often see the same consistency because a model like Sonnet is designed to, out of the box, to look at the code that it's working in. So it would read your home page and immediately pull up what that context in your design is.
Maybe on the same lines, how much previous steps of conversation you are passing in the new conversation? Is there some number or just summarizing or something?
Yes. Well, so as far as the conversation history goes, we tend to give the entire conversation of the last 4 questions you've asked the agent and the responses. We use some tricks to remove duplicate data for that. So if a file has been rewritten multiple times, we'll just have the last state of in there. And then everything past that becomes a summarization, which really focuses on what was built in the past rather than all the details. And then it'll load up the details if it needs them.